Here I have Umidigi A9, and today I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset operation on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to enter system section, go to the reset options, and here you have to select the last option, erase all data factory reset, then tap on reset phone to proceed, and then at last tap on the erase everything to confirm whole operation, and after that your device will be restarted in about a minute. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.